Blender Tutorial. Lesson Plan Number 20. Color Balance. Brightness/contrast. Adjustment. Start Blender and click on Video Editing. Now to add video on the sequencer, browse through the browser pane to select a video, then drag and drop it on the channel 1. You can also add video by clicking on Add tab and then select Movie option. Now browse through your system and add a video on the sequencer. Adjust the frame rate as per the length of the video. Click mouse pointer at the end of the video to find out the end frame rate value and then enter that value in the End tab. Now click on Add tab and select Adjustment Layer. This will add an adjustment layer strip on top of your video strip. Whatever changes you will do will affect only to that length of adjustment layer and not whole video. Now select the adjustment layer and then click on Modifier tab. Then click on Add Strip Modifier and select Color Balance. This will open up a RGB wheel depicting color balance. The first factor we can adjust is lift. It intensifies the colors. You can move the pointer anywhere on the RGB wheel to obtain the desired color balance. Here I am moving it to the green area in the RGB wheel to obtain a greenish effect. Similarly, you can modify the gamma and gain parameters by moving the pointer anywhere on the RGB wheel. To add monochrome effect to a particular portion of the video, click on Add and select a new adjustment layer. Now click on Strip tab on RHS. Under this, select Color option. Now by adjusting saturation parameter we can achieve monochrome effect. Now to adjust the brightness/contrast levels, select a new adjustment layer by clicking on Add. Then click on Modifier tab. Then click on Add Modifier tab and select Brightness/Contrast. Now by adjusting these values we can obtain different levels of brightness/contrast. Also we can achieve shadow effect. To save the video file, make sure HD resolution is selected. Also ensure that FPS is 30 for a flicker-free render. Then specify the file path where the video file will be saved. Finally, make sure that output file format is FFmpeg. Then click on Render and select Render Animation.